how to use a washing machine cleaner to clean your washing machine properly and hygienically. I have mixed 50 milligrams of the machine cleaner with a 4 liter of water in this bucket. We are going to take the detergent, the washing machine detergent drawer out and soak it into this bucket and leave it for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to take out the detergent drawer and I'm going to soak this detergent drawer. The way you take it out, you pull it out this way and you go this way. You see? You see? You go this way. See how filthy it is. You see? See how filthy. See? As you can see, I have soaked the detergent drawer into this 4 liter of water mixed with 50 ml of the washing machine cleaner. So you see it's been soaked. You leave it there for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes you take it out and then you use like a toothbrush or some kind of brush. You use some kind of brush to take out the filth in the hard to reach areas and just rinse it with clean water, and that is it, and fix it back. I'll show you how to fix it back. See you. Now I'm going to show you how to clean the seals. You see, these are the seals. First of all, put your hands into the gaps in the seal. Sometimes you have pens, pins, you know, funny things usually inside. So put your hand that way and inspect. Then when you are done that, use a clean cloth, apply a little bit this way, just go this way, this way, this way, this way, yeah, a little bit. Then you go this way to the seats, just go this way, go this way, try to open it this way. See, go this way, and as you can see, you see the door. You see the door, there's a bit of filth on it. So what you do, use this to wipe the door clean. Wipe the door clean. You go this way, you go all here. Usually what I do, I turn the door this way and come to the back of the door. I shut the door, come to the back this way, then I clean this side. I give it all here. I clean. Yeah? You give it a thorough clean. Now our detergent drawer has been soaked for 30 minutes. Yeah? You use this one. You just go this way. You see? You still have some dirt there, so you just go this way. Yeah. Go that way inside the water. Yeah, you just go that way. If you need to use a sponge, fine. You could use a soft sponge. We're going to fit it back. So if I pull it out, you can see that there's some dirt here. So I usually just use the cloth this way. That same cloth, soak it into that water. It's not difficult work anyway, but you just need to do it properly, isn't it? You know, you just need to do it properly. You go all that way, go that way, go that way. You see? See, look, there's a lump of dirt here. I will put my hand in there. See, look at this filth. The same cloth again. Yeah, you put the cloth here. This way. Put your hand, push your hand till very deep into the machine. into the detergent drawer. Then you go this way. You go that way. You have this one here. And you go squeeze dry, go here again. So you see, you let this side align with the top here. You see, it has aligned with this one here. Just push it nice and gently. Don't force it. Lift it up a bit. You see that it clicks, and when you push it, it's shut. So you're able to open it. Shut. Open it. Shut. You pour. Then you shut the door. Yeah. Then you close it. Then you switch the machine on. Yeah. And you set the machine to 60 degrees. But free is 60 degrees. I'm not very sure. You look at the temperature gauge. That's it. So you see you have 60 degrees. You see? You have 60 degrees, so that's enough. So I've set it to the circle number 3. Give it a full circle of wash. And then you press it on. That